What is this?
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Beaver County, Texas County, northern Hansford County, northwestern Nickel Creek County, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southeast of Goodwell, 10 miles south of Diamond, northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Serious?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is
I
possible.
literally...
People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Wow.
Locations impacted include Diamond, Hooker, Goodwell, Kexoma, Tyrone, Optima, Hardesty, Hawk, Adams, Boyd, Bryant's Corner, Baker, and Turpin.
Seriously?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas, Hansford, and Nickel Creek.
Alright, that's cool.